and welcome back to our channel. So today's video, we have another challenge video for you guys. So if you're new to our channel, just to let you guys know, everything that you see in this video is going to be vegan or plant-based, whatever you want to call it. A lot of people don't like to use the word vegan. So yeah, if you're interested in becoming vegan, you can still eat, like if you into this type of junk food stuff, you can still have that if you want to become vegan. So just to let all our new viewers know a little about our channel. So we're a vegan family and we like to do mukbangs, we do challenges, and we like to do informative videos, also grocery hauls and what I eat in a days and vlogs. So yeah. Anything you want to say?
No, I mean, you said everything. That's everything good.
So yeah, that's it, you guys. So we're gonna jump right into the video. Let's go.
How we gonna do it? Rock, paper,
So
scissors?
we do rock, paper, scissors again like we did last time, or we could just
Yeah, we do rock, paper, scissors so I can get my revenge. Alright, you ready?
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You stuck. You won.
I know what I'm saying. Why do I always win? Sweet, salty. So I'm more into salty and he's more into sweet. So this is round one, you guys. I got the sweetest dish.
I got hers extra thin pretzels. Lately, the pretzels I've been eating been made out of spuff flour. I haven't really ate regular pretzels in a long time. So I'm not that eater to eat them. You know, I'm not.
They don't have the same taste. I got it. So yeah, I don't miss these at all.
She missed it. She missed the red dot number 40.
And the rest of the challenges, you probably want to see him in the side. My daughter, she loves watching challenges, so it'll be cute to see them two do a video, like a challenge together.
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
She could take my place for a while because I can't be eating this stuff.
Yeah. Because you the one to do the challenges. So
We can do a healthy, when we get back to the healthy challenges,
I hear you.
then I can do it.
I hear you. Alright. Remember she said that.
All right, let's go around too. Oh.
One, two, three, go.
Oh, sweet again. Why am I into sweet? Y'all see that?
Yeah, I don't want to salt you. Salted.
Here I got some. These are okay. These are a good alternative to like normal chocolate chip cookies. I got some simple milk cookies. If you see the ingredients in here.
Simple ingredients.
But it's still junk food. It's still processed, so. But it's better than regular chocolate chip cookies you'll find in the store. Most chocolate chip cookies you find in the store aren't vegan, so keep that in mind.
Let's do like Oreos, right? You know.
I mean,
You know
people
what?
go back and forth with that, so.
Yeah, sure. I said that about Oreos, but
Great.
like, let me do like this. Like plain chips.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
You know my favorite chip, jalapeno.
It used to be sour cream too.
Yeah.
It's hard to find a vegan sour cream.
It was one, they took it off the market. It was about like Earth Balance.
Oh wow. I'm about to win this one, I promise you. Y'all seen it in the last video. If y'all didn't see it last video, you won like every one. Every single one. So I gotta get it. Let's go.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
Ready?
Alright.
Ready?
1,
2,
2, 3, go. Yes.
salty.
One thing about wafers is always like a hit and miss. Cause if these things stale, it be nasty. I hate that. So comment down below if you know what I'm talking about. For those who used to eat wafers, like when they stale, you definitely be mad. I know you do.
Pringles were never good to me. They taste like,
Pringles is the bottom, man.
it tastes like corn chips with salt.
Listen, comment down below if you like Pringles. Like
Not corn chips, corn flakes. You know the
Pringles.
corn flake syrup?
Yes.
It tastes like that, and they just put salt on top.
Cornflakes are bad either.
Disgusting. You eat corn flakes with salt?
No, I wouldn't eat cornflakes with salt. Oh my god.
They stale?
Oh my god.
You should have read the expiration date.
Oh my
What's the
God.
expiration date?
Dang, that's what happened. You get chips in the hood, yo. It got August 1920. Ain't no year 20. That's all it is. 20. That could be 2019, 2018, 2020. And listen to it.
You gotta take a bite.
Y'all listening? Y'all listening?
Oh, I mean,
What's up?
no.
Listen, when they stale, this is like styrofoam.
You're nasty, period.
I don't know what styrofoam tastes like, but I'm just guessing it would taste like styrofoam.
That was you taking a bite?
Yes, so listen, if they wasn't stale, you would have seen a bite. That's disgusting. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Comment down below. Stale wafers are disgusting. What you talking about? I won. That was scissors. I had rock.
Because I'm in disbelief, that's why.
No, listen. I got it. Excuse me. Thank you. Thank you. I got this time. So cover the miles up. I got it. Listen, y'all saw I try to keep me where I go. I'll take this one. Ready? 1, 2. Let's still wait for God to. 3, go.
You did all that for nothing. Sweet.
Salty.
Okay, guys, so we have some Airheads. Who remembers Airheads? So Airheads are vegan. Just in case you're wondering, I don't know if I've eaten these though because they're horrible, but they're vegan. And he got some hood sunflower seeds.
Frito-Lay.
What's the original? Why would you get only the plain one? I thought the barbecue one was vegan too.
I don't know. Listen, I'm not trying to really eat them. So.
What was your favorite Airhead when you used to eat them? The mystery one.
The green one.
I just try the mystery. Let me see what flavor this is.
I guess it's watermelon.
How you know it's watermelon?
So I like to eat the green one.
Oh.
Did I laugh because I said it's
How
watermelon?
can watermelon be green?
Because it's outside.
Stupid.
I mean, whoever don't think watermelon's gonna be green. That's,
Listen. What flavor is this?
I don't know.
Because it doesn't taste like nothing. We were stupid growing up because, like, all the flavors that it said, it don't taste like the flavors. All you taste is sugar. What is it supposed to be? I don't even know the flavor.
I'm still ate it though. I know I did.
I'm
Wrong with your
confused.
teeth though.
I know, right?
Hmm.
All they put is some dyed sugar, so I can't even tell. It's supposed to taste like some type of fruit, and I don't know.
My kids will never eat that. Never. They gonna thank me when they get older. They gonna when they have their teeth. They gonna thank me. Well, thank you, Dad. Watch. They ain't thanking me now. Because they want that candy.
Yeah. They love candy. They never even tasted it, but I know they want.
But listen, whenever I do give it to them, I get it in like moderation, like a little bit. And they be savoring it, especially the side.
Not this type of candy.
No. I see if I give them cookie. That side be savoring it. She be like Oreo, when I used to give her Oreos, you remember?
Mm-hmm.
That one Oreo lasts a long time.
Alright. I can't take my sugar.
No? No.
Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot.
You did everything. You went through the whole list. You cheating. Because you're going slow. No, don't do it. Make it go fast. One, two, three, go. Come on, dog. Yo, you know you cheating, man.
I don't want sweet. Why would I do
Yo,
sweet?
listen, comment down below if she cheating. Let me know, because I can't see nothing.
I don't want sweet. I hate sweet.
How is she doing the turning? Comment down below, please do. Because I really got my eyes closed. I'm not a sweet person, but I need something sweet. Well, I'm a sweet person, but watermelon does. See what I mean?
Oh, I gotta get these. I'm in the mood for these. Dang. And you touch on what you got? Pistachio. I'm glad I didn't get that though. I don't like pistachios.
As she would say, what kind of pistachio are these? Go ahead, say a common thing.
What is it? California?
No.
Hood?
Yeah, there we go. Hood pistachios. From ghetto, as she would say.
This is just stuck to your teeth.
Yeah.
I know y'all might think you're weirdo using scissors to cut open packages.
Smart.
He don't always do that.
Pistachios be wrong with opening shell.
Don't you got them about the shell?
Yeah, they do. That brand pistachio, I used to eat pistachios all the time. Mm-hmm. Pistachio no bad.
I don't like doing the shells. It's too much. Alright, that's enough of that. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. Rock, paper, scissors, shoot. One, two, three.
Go.
Sweet. Oh, y'all see that? Sweet. I got some Whole Foods 365. They got these sour rings, and they put vegan at the back, at the bottom of the bag. I wonder why.
Because they're vegan?
Yeah, but usually they don't label their food vegan.
They do. I work there.
The candy?
I work there. You said the food, right? Y'all listen to that?
Alright, usually the junk food, they don't have to put big as they like. If they have a bag of plain chips, do they have to put big as they that the plain chips are vegan?
But they do. In the back of it. Absolutely, right? Exactly.
For stuff that you already... Alright, whatever. So yeah, these are vegan, like
But
I
listen,
said.
y'all,
They put the label on it.
listen, I worked at Whole Foods. There's some shoppers out there that's kind of like,
Not the brightest fish in the
no,
sea.
just be real picky. You feel me? So, even though they know some vegan, I know these are vegan, but why don't they say they're vegan? Because they don't have to say they're vegan, but we vegan customers like that. Wrong.
Yeah, these taste like Fruit Loops.
Hold on, sprouted pumpkin seeds.
I'm glad I didn't get that. I hate pumpkin seeds. I used to like them a little bit when I was like younger,
Yeah.
but like It's weird because why they look like that and the other ones are like white?
What are these sprouted ones? Stuff that's sprouted is more healthier for you.
They probably made these into worms.
You see so?
They probably made these into like worms. The same product.
Oh yeah. People want paper, so. Like I seen the vending machine that was selling snowballs. People really out there pay for that. It just shows you that you can really
Market and sell in there.
you gotta market, you can really sell in there. It's all about marketing for everything. So how you like this?
Bad for your teeth, y'all.
Yeah, real talk. I need you, so I want you to have to go.
Yeah.
I need your teeth at old age.
I can always get some veneers.
That'd be cool.
No.
Nothing better than natural, right?
It can be natural, right?
Natural veneers. I guess it'd be paper, right?
Yeah.
Nope.
Anyway, so yeah, that was our challenge for today, y'all. Salty versus sweet.
Salty versus sweet.
I think I got a headache and a toothache. So why do I keep getting sweet?
Hey, listen. I was mad I kept being salty. And why I kept losing?
Right. He usually better at me when we play like regular.
Then when we play any damn better than you.
Anyway.
And it don't count because nobody don't see it.
But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll see you in our next video. Peace.
Like I always say, care to be vegan. Peace.